2015, I started having tremors in my hands. And over the course of the next 16 months, I saw 4 neurologists and movement disorder specialists who all told me that I was in the early stages of Parkinson's disease. I didn't have them diagnose me for 2 reasons. One is I didn't believe it was conducive to healing, and 2, because what was the rush? There's plenty of time to get diagnosed with that disease. Over the next, during the next couple of years, things progressed. The tremors got worse. My balance became very bad, and my gait became somewhat unmanageable. I literally would be in the kitchen cooking dinner at night and hanging onto the kitchen countertops to keep from falling over because I couldn't turn between the island and the kitchen sink. And I tried nootropics, and some of those did help for certain non-motor symptoms, but when I started Joe Dispenza's progressive workshop this year in February, at first when I got the email and I saw that it was like hours, like 25, 30 hours of work, I thought, oh my God, how am I going to get this done? And after about the first 3 hours, I was hooked. I couldn't wait to get home from work to do more sessions, and in the morning I would wake up early and do another session. I continued between then and now, which is June, meditating. I finished the workshop, online workshop, in probably record time, probably about 2.5, 3 weeks at most, and this is with working still. I own a company, so I work part-time in my company. But I continued from there to now with meditating every day, 1 to 3 hours a day, loving it. I'd wake up, I'd think about I want to meditate, I'd go downstairs and meditate. I'd come home from work and I couldn't wait to meditate again. And I only missed 1 day in the course of the last 5 months, I guess it's been. And what it's done, and immediately was very noticeable, was that my gait improved immensely. My ability to walk, turn, and just flow with a normal gait. It also really corrected my balance. Recently I was out in 4-inch high heel shoes. My balance is wonderful. I can turn around normally in a small, tight space. I think that those motor symptoms are almost impossible to fix, and I must say that obviously because since I have not been formally diagnosed, I do not have access to any medication and have not been on any pharmaceuticals at all. And here I am today. Came a week early to this event and spent 5 days here by myself prior to the event start date, relaxing, meditating, and just spending time alone. And it was lovely way to ramp up for the week that we've had, which has been a fantastic week.